In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop in Adobe Acrobat. If you need to clean up the edges of a PDF page, remove extra white space, or focus attention on the most important part of a document, cropping is a quick and useful tool. Adobe Acrobat makes this process straightforward, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how to do it in a simple and practical way. To begin, open Adobe Acrobat and make sure the PDF you want to work on is already open on your screen. Before you start cropping, it's a good idea to quickly look over the page and decide what area you want to keep visible. Cropping doesn't usually delete the original content permanently right away, but it does change what is shown on the page, so it helps to be intentional before you make the adjustment. Once your PDF is open, go ahead and click on Edit. This is where Acrobat keeps a variety of tools for changing and refining your document. If you're following along in a newer or slightly different version of Acrobat, the layout may look a little different, but the Edit option should still guide you to the page editing tools you need. After that, click on Crop Pages. This activates the crop tool and lets you define the visible area of your PDF page. At this point, your cursor will usually change, showing that Acrobat is ready for you to select the crop area. Now click on the corners of the page and drag inward to crop. As you drag, you'll create a crop boundary that tells Acrobat what part of the page should remain visible. Try to move the edges carefully so you don't cut off text, images, or any important content. If you're cropping a page with tight margins, zooming in a little can help you be more precise and get a cleaner result. Once you're happy with the selection, click on Crop to apply it. This confirms the new page boundaries and updates the visible area of the document. Take a moment to review the result afterward to make sure everything looks the way you want. If something seems too tight or uneven, you can always go back and adjust it again. And that's how to crop in Adobe Acrobat. It's a simple feature, but it can make your PDFs look much cleaner and more professional, especially when you're preparing documents to share, print, or present.